Fixing electronics such as a television, computer board, or even a drone can be intimidating. But a reliable soldering station makes successful home electronics repair possible. With a soldering station, you can adhere computer chips, wires, resistors, and transistors together. Small enough to sit on a desktop, soldering stations pack enough power to melt away thick layers of solder. In this video, we are going to talk about a variety of best soldering stations in 2023 and how we have categorized them into a list starting from numbers 5, 4, 3, and so on. So do you watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments section if you like the video? Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Each of the products has its link below in the description box so you can find more information about them. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. On number 5, we have TXINLEI 8586 110V solder station you can find on the market in 2023. For those new to rework, TXINLEI's 8586 hot air rework station comes with everything necessary to get started. This kit includes a hot air gun, a soldering iron, swappable tips, tweezers, a desoldering pump, brushes, picks, and soldering wire. A digital display allows users to dial in the exact temperature for the type of work. The 60-watt soldering iron provides enough power for most jobs, reaching the same temperatures as most other kits with a slightly slower recovery time. The hot air gun reaches temperatures between 392 and 840 degrees Fahrenheit. TXINLEI's station also boasts a built-in tray for wet sponges, making it quick and easy to clean the iron's tip. Moving on to number 4. We have YIHUA 2-in-1 soldering station you can find on the market in 2023. Anyone thinking of getting into a reworking project should equip themselves with a top-notch hot air rework station. YIHUA's 862BD Plus could provide the ideal setup for home DIY electronic repair benches. It offers a digital temperature display, a hot air gun, and a soldering iron. It also comes with swappable tips for both the air gun and the soldering iron, so users can choose exactly the right tip for the job. A 75-watt soldering iron reaches temperatures between 392 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while the air gun has a range of 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. A safety shutoff immediately shuts the air gun down when it's in the holder. The device includes a tip cleaning station as well. Just keep in mind that this large rework station will require some desk space. On number 3, we have the X-Tronic 3060 Pro soldering iron station you can find on the market in 2023. The complete kit is manufactured by X-Tronic for beginners as well as experts and will exceed your expectations of quality and durability for any soldering station in this category. X-Tronic's 3060 Pro Street ACC contact soldering station has plenty of power and convenient features to make soldering projects quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. A 75-watt soldering station, its iron reaches temperatures between 392 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit within 30 seconds. A digital display makes temperatures easy to read. Two helping hands hold the workpiece in place while the user feeds the solder and manipulates the iron. The device includes a holder for a tip cleaner, sold separately, and a space for a wet sponge. Be sure to keep it clean, as this kit doesn't come with extra trips. On number 2. We have a Weller WLC100 soldering station you can find on the market in 2023. This 40-watt soldering station from Weller features a quality lightweight pencil iron and a cushioned foam grip with a replaceable heating element. This product is ideal for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts and students. Weller's value-priced WLC100 doesn't skimp on capabilities. Its 40 watts provide enough power for most DIY projects that don't require soldering an entire control board. Weller's reputation ensures accurate analog temperature settings that produce top-quality results. A wrapped wire iron holder keeps the work surface safe from the iron's hot tip, and a built-in tray for wet sponges helps users keep the iron clean. Replaceable elements and tips unusual for lower-end soldering stations make this a standout tool in the budget price range. In the first place, we have the Hakko digital soldering station you can find on the market in 2023. For an all-around, can-do soldering station, DIY technicians should check out Hakko's FX888D23 by Digital Solder Station. This 70-watt contact-style soldering station features a wide range of temperatures, plenty of wattages, and a good value. A digital display allows users to dial in the perfect temperature, between 120 and 899 degrees Fahrenheit. Replaceable tips mean users can swap out burnt tips and continue using this tool for years to come. A tip cleaning station allows for cleaning off the tip of the iron to maintain the best possible soldered joints, free of excessive oxidation and flux. Note that the main station and the cleaning station are separate, which can get confusing and take up a bit of space. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below which are updated to the latest prices. Thanks for watching, hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.